A well-planned kitchen remodeling Sterling Heights project brings together comfort, beauty, and function for homeowners who want more from their daily space. From kitchen renovation, Sterling Heights services for older homes to custom kitchen design. Sterling Heights solutions in newer neighborhoods, updated kitchens improve workflow, storage, and home value. Homeowners throughout Sterling Heights, MI often choose a full kitchen remodeling contractor Sterling Heights for everything from layout changes to finish selections, especially when looking for a licensed kitchen remodeling company. Sterling Heights MI with experience across Macomb County and Metro Detroit. For homes that feel closed off or outdated, an open-concept kitchen remodeling Sterling Heights creates better flow between cooking, dining, and entertaining areas. Many families request a kitchen layout redesign. Sterling Heights to remove barriers, improve sightlines, and add seating. An open kitchen renovation. Sterling Heights MI can include kitchen island installation. Sterling Heights, wider walkways, upgraded lighting, and improved access to adjoining living spaces. In neighborhoods near Dodge Park, Utica Road, and M53, this style is especially popular for busy households that want a brighter, more social layout. Cabinet work is one of the most visible parts of any kitchen remodeling Sterling Heights, Michigan homeowners invest in, and the right storage system can completely redefine the room. Kitchen cabinet installation. Sterling Heights is ideal for full replacements, while cabinet refacing. Sterling Heights offers a practical option when existing cabinet boxes remain in good shape. Homeowners often compare semi-custom kitchen cabinets, Sterling Heights, with fully custom kitchen cabinets. Sterling Heights MI to balance design freedom and budget. Kitchen cabinet refacing. Sterling Heights. Michigan remains a strong choice for affordable updates that still deliver a fresh, polished look. Backsplashes and flooring bring texture, color, and personality into the overall design, making them essential to a complete kitchen remodeling Sterling Heights MI plan. Kitchen backsplash installation. Sterling Heights adds visual interest while protecting walls from moisture and cooking splatter. Many homeowners work with kitchen backsplash contractors, Sterling Heights MI, to choose tile patterns that complement cabinets and counters. At the same time, kitchen flooring installation. Sterling Heights helps create a seamless foundation. With kitchen flooring contractors, Sterling Heights MI, installing tile, luxury vinyl, hardwood look products, and other materials that match the household's lifestyle. Countertops are another major focal point in a modern kitchen renovation Sterling Heights project, and surface selection matters for both style and durability. Countertop replacement. Sterling Heights commonly includes quartz countertop installation, granite countertops, and other easy-care materials suited to family kitchens. Quartz countertops. Sterling Heights MI continue to grow in popularity because they are sleek, low-maintenance, and available in many colors. For homeowners who prefer natural stone, granite countertop installers, Sterling Heights MI can create a timeless look that works beautifully in both traditional kitchen remodel Sterling Heights and luxury kitchen remodeling Sterling Heights spaces. Traditional spaces still remain highly desirable, especially for homeowners who want warmth, symmetry, and classic finishes. A traditional kitchen remodel Sterling Heights may feature detailed cabinetry, natural stone surfaces, elegant lighting, and a welcoming palette that feels timeless rather than trendy. At the same time, a modern kitchen remodeling Sterling Heights can introduce flat panel cabinetry, minimalist fixtures, bold contrast, and open shelving for a cleaner visual style. Whether the goal is a traditional or modern kitchen design, Sterling Heights, Michigan, the best results come from tailoring each feature to the home's architecture and the client's daily use. For upscale projects, a luxury kitchen remodeling Sterling Heights emphasizes craftsmanship, premium materials, and personalized features designed around the homeowner's taste. Luxury kitchen renovation. Sterling Heights MI may include oversized islands, professional-grade appliances, custom cabinetry, statement backsplashes, and premium quartz countertop installation. These projects often blend modern kitchen design. Sterling Heights, Michigan trends with timeless details for a refined final result. Homeowners seeking the best kitchen remodelers in Sterling Heights, MI often prioritize quality installation, detailed planning, and cohesive design from demolition through completion. One of the smartest additions in a residential kitchen remodeling Sterling Heights, MI is a well-designed island that serves as a prep zone, dining area, and storage hub all in one. Kitchen island installation. Sterling Heights can add drawers, outlets, seating, and even integrated appliances depending on the room size. Many kitchen island builders. Sterling Heights, MI also help homeowners shape the island around circulation needs and entertaining goals. In both open concept kitchen remodel Sterling Heights and small kitchen remodel Sterling Heights projects, the island often becomes the central feature that ties the entire renovation together. The most successful kitchen remodeling Sterling Heights projects combine design vision with technical precision, creating a space that performs beautifully every day. Whether the goal is kitchen cabinet installation Sterling Heights, quartz countertop installation, kitchen backsplash installation, Sterling Heights, or a complete open concept kitchen remodel. Sterling Heights, the finished kitchen should reflect how the household actually lives. Homeowners throughout Sterling Heights, MI continue to invest in residential kitchen remodel Sterling Heights MI services because a better kitchen improves comfort, organization, and resale appeal. From semi-custom kitchen cabinets Sterling Heights to full kitchen demolition and rebuild Sterling Heights, the right plan transforms an ordinary room into a functional centerpiece of the home.